Affiliate marketing has never been easier with these suggestions. If you are a newbie to affiliate marketing, you will need helpful information to help you get started with earning income in this lucrative field. This video will give you many tips to get started. Success in affiliate marketing will never be achieved by putting a million banners up all on one site. Choose your banners carefully and keep your site clutter-free. Too many banners can make your site feel overwhelming to a user, making them less likely to click on any banners or become repeat visitors. Avoid exclusive affiliate marketing programs. These are programs that restrict a webmaster's advertising. Such programs might require that a webmaster advertise only his or her affiliates' products in a given category, or even advertise no products at all except the affiliates. This is an unreasonable demand to make, and experienced website owners will not stand for it. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, only promote products that are relevant to your market. If you advertise products that your customers will not be interested in, you will fail to make any money. Instead, promote quality products that will appeal to your customers and your profits will increase. Successful affiliate marketers work on a 4-to-1 formula for the best results. This simply means that 80% of their time online is spent marketing products and building up a strong base, while the other 20% is for goofing off or for checking out tutorial videos on how to market. The lion's share of your time should be devoted solely to working. Affiliate marketers would do well to utilize sites like Google Optimizer. With this site, you can easily increase your profits as an affiliate by increasing your subscription base. Not every subscriber is going to become a customer for you, but the more subscribers you have, the more likely you are to turn commissions. These tips show how affiliate marketing is an excellent way to market the products and services you offer. You are well on your way to becoming an expert in affiliate marketing after watching the advice in this video. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.